Hi, this is Eggy Fits, and this is a showcase for antico form. This is HEX design, and the colour is opal. And as you can see, there are subtle differences with the difference in colour between the hexagons, and it gives a sort of overall sort of look of all separate ones, which is a good thing really, because if they were all just one sort of solid colour, it would be just like a sheet vinyl. But they are all individual and they're slightly different. Some of them motley and some of them are got like lines on it. So as long as you sort of try and get them as random as you can, when you put it down, it makes a really good effect. And it was really fun fitting it too. I quite liked it, and I'm sure the dog likes it too. He came in to have a little look, make sure I did a good job. If you think I did a good job, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm nearly 1,000 subscribers, so I need your help. Please help me get to 1,000. Thanks. See you on the next one.